In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Taobao app 2025, step by step. First, open the Taobao app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. You'll get the smoothest experience when you're signed in, and some settings may not appear the same if you aren't. From the home screen, head to My Taobao. This is the icon in the bottom right corner of the app, and it takes you to your profile and account area. Depending on your device language, it may show the label My Taobao or the Chinese text Wo de Taobao. On your profile page, look for the settings icon. It's usually a small gear or three dots in the top right corner. If your app is in Chinese, it will be labeled Shi Ji. Tap that to open the full settings menu. Inside settings, choose General Settings. In Chinese, this appears as Tongyang. This section controls fundamental app preferences, and it's where language options are kept. If you see several categories, pick the one that looks like General, Common, or Tongyang. Next, open the language option labeled Yuyan. This screen lets you select the display language used across menus and system text. The language setting can be near the top or grouped under Display and Region options, but it will clearly say Yuyan if the app is in Chinese. Now choose English or the international version. Depending on your app version, you might see English, Yingwen, or international mode, global version, 国际版. English focuses on translating menus, while international or global mode can also adjust parts of the interface for non-mainland users. Not every product description will translate because sellers provide their own text, but the core navigation and settings will switch to English. Tap your preferred option to apply it. To make sure the change fully takes effect, close the app completely and reopen it. Fully quitting the app rather than just minimizing it helps refresh all screens in the new language. When you launch Taobao again, the menus and settings should appear in English or the international layout you selected. If the language option doesn't appear, your app may need an update or the feature might not be available in your current build. In that case, check for the latest version and try again. Also remember that some areas such as seller store names, product images, and user reviews can remain in Chinese even after switching languages. That's it. You've successfully changed the language in the Taobao app. Enjoy easier navigation and smoother shopping in the language